Hey guys, welcome back to Family Forest.
That's what we need, boys.
Today we are trying something.
Alcohol.
What?
No, it's not.
Michael likes trying around.
Marky's getting his
So-
first drink.
Today we got
My
a
boy,
Red
man.
Bull.
Let him talk.
Today we got a Red Bull, orange juice, and Sprite.
So what you need is ice, orange juice.
It's not gonna today.
Oh,
Oh.
stay for a little bit.
It is.
Stay for a little bit.
I'll put that outside.
So, Marquis sent me a TikTok video because he's an alcoholic.
No, I'm not.
He is.
No, I'm not.
So he sent me a video. Since I make drinks, not
Good.
alcohol drinks. Since it's a family-friendly page, not alcohol, no one drinks. So since I make drinks, he asked me to make this for him. It's called Tilted Towers.
Tilted Tower.
You
I don't
gotta,
know
you
what
gotta
it's
replay that. Tilted
I-
Towers.
I don't know what it's from.
What are you doing?
He said it's from
Oh, don't put
TikTok.
it on the floor.
from
Put it.
Call of Duty, right?
Fortnite.
Call of Duty.
Okay,
Don't mind the noise in
So-
the back.
if you guys know what a Fortnite, put a comment down below.
It's a knockoff version of Minecraft. So what you need is a glass of ice, one of my mixing glass that I use. You're not drinking it, shut up. And you need a shot, and then another shot of orange juice. I would get my other one that they got me, but you gotta open it. I don't like it because it's kind of dumb. I don't know why people would get it for me, but. Why is it so hard to open it?
Ready?
You already opened it?
Yes.
Weekly.
Ooh.
Imagine.
Okay. Marquis gonna pour it in the shot glass.
I don't know how to do it, so
What do you mean?
I might mess it up.
You pour it in the
How
glass
much? Up to what?
whenever I say stop,
Okay.
or just let it spill for someone to clean it.
Okay.
Mark!
Go ahead.
Clean this table for nothing.
And we don't like energy drinks, so bad for you. They're not good for your health.
Mark loves them.
Yeah. There.
Okay.
That,
Yes. And then another one of orange juice.
why did I pour that on your?
If you like energy drinks, maybe don't drink them. So
Should I pour this more? It doesn't look even.
you could, yeah. Go ahead. If you want.
I don't know.
There you go.
Now it looks a little bit more even.
So since this glass doesn't have a bigger rim to it, technically you're supposed to go like that and let it flip.
I think it's
But-
fight first.
Are you making the drinks or who? Who are you making the drinks, huh?
I don't know.
Exactly. So how about you
He's
just
cooperating.
Never mind the Sprite first. I told you.
Okay.
So we're gonna fill it up halfway. Halfway. And then after, technically you're supposed to go like that, but since it's a smaller cup, and then you're supposed to go like that, and then you have to sit on it. But since it's a smaller cup, we're just gonna dump them in all at once. Ready? No. Here, you dump that one. Here. Dump it in. You get one on my barnet, you're gonna die. Watch.
You said all at once.
Go quick, baby, quick.
Looks nasty.
And so
That's
now,
like perfectly
so
filled.
now we're gonna stop it right here, and then put some friendly juice
No one-
in it.
We're not.
Why not?
Hold it!
Cause I haven't tested the first.
So, what does it smell like? You know what it smells like? Monster. And it smells nasty.
Now drink it.
No. Here. Drink it first. No.
Oh, that's
We're almost done. Just come back.
Okay, go. 10 out of 10. Make this last part quick. 10 out of 10.
6.
6 out of 10, Michael.
Yeah, go.
Come on, 10 out of 10.
I don't like energy drinks.
Okay. The outro.
Do it.
Energy drinks are nasty. Don't drink
Alright.
it all. Don't drink it all.
It's an
You got
energy
this,
drink.
guys.
Just the orange juice
I'll
more.
put it link down in the description.
It's nasty.
Let's go, Baba.
It needs
Wanna go, Baba?
white rum in it. That's what it needs.
Make sure
Let's
you
add
leave
some
a like, subscribe,
white
and
rum. Coconut
share.
rum.
We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.